Welcome to this complete Cannes, France travel guide. Imagine a place that hums with the glamour of a film festival, sparkles with luxury shops and basks in the beauty of sun-soaked beaches. That's Cannes for you, from strolling along La Croisette to experiencing the lively Rue d'Antibes nightlife. We've got 12 must-do activities lined up for you, and don't worry, we've sprinkled in a few surprises along the way. So, tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey through Cannes. Firstly, take a leisurely stroll along La Croisette. This iconic boulevard, like a shimmering ribbon of elegance, stretches its way along the coastline of Cannes, lined by swaying palm trees and luxury boutiques. It's a place where the city meets the sea and where the glitter of high-end fashion meets the sparkle of the Mediterranean. But what makes La Croisette truly special is the Grand Palais des Festivals et des Congrès. This is the heart of the Cannes Film Festival, where the world's cinema elite gather each year. Imagine the countless stars who've graced its red carpet. The Palais is more than a building, it's an emblem of Cannes' status in the global film industry. Perhaps as you walk, you'll catch a glimpse of a movie in the making or a celebrity sighting, or maybe you'll simply enjoy the balmy sea breeze and the constant hum of activity. Either way, La Croisette and the Palais des Festivals et des Congrès truly capture the glamour of Cannes. Next, explore the charming Le Suquet, the old town of Cannes. A labyrinth of narrow, winding streets and quaint pastel-hued houses, Le Suquet is a delightful step back in time. As you meander your way up the hillside, you'll be rewarded with stunning views of the sparkling Mediterranean and the bustling city below. The scent of fresh croissants wafting from local bakeries will transport you to a simpler, sweeter era. After your journey through time in Le Suquet, unwind on the sandy shores of Plage du Midi. This beach is a hidden gem, offering a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Feel the warm sand under your toes, listen to the gentle lull of the ocean, and soak up the French Riviera sun. It's the perfect way to recharge after exploring the old town. Le Suquet and Plage du Midi offer a blend of history and relaxation. Now, get ready for an island adventure at Île Sainte-Marguerite. Just a stone's throw away from the mainland, this island is a true gem that's ripe for exploration. Board a boat and feel the cool Mediterranean breeze as you journey towards this haven of tranquility. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by lush forest trails beckoning you into their depths. The scent of pine and eucalyptus fills the air, and the peaceful silence is a welcome reprieve from the bustling city life. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Once back on the mainland, make your way to Marché Fourville, an absolute must-visit for any Cannes traveler. This bustling market is the heartbeat of the city. Local vendors offer a colorful array of fresh produce, artisanal food, and handmade crafts. It's the perfect place to stock up on souvenirs or simply to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Experience the beauty of nature and local culture at Île Sainte-Marguerite and Marché Fourville. Our next stops are the Musée de la Castre and Jardin Alexandre III. Tucked away in a picturesque corner of Cannes, the Musée de la Castre is a treasure trove of ancient artifacts from around the globe. Each exhibit tells a unique tale, inviting you to step back in time. From pre-Columbian pottery to Mediterranean antiquities, this museum is a testament to the rich tapestry of human history. Don't forget to ascend the museum's tower, where you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking panorama of Cannes. Now imagine trading the museum's historic walls for the lush greenery of Jardin Alexandre III. This serene garden is a charming oasis in the heart of the city, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustling streets. Here you can admire the beautifully manicured flower beds, listen to the soothing sounds of the fountains, or simply find a shady spot to sit and watch the world go by. These places provide a wonderful combination of history and tranquility. Now let's dive into the heart of Cannes, its beaches. A trip to Cannes would be incomplete without spending time on its sun-kissed beaches. These sandy stretches, kissed by the azure waters of the Mediterranean, are the perfect spots to unwind. You can bask in the sun, take a dip in the sea, or simply relax with a good book. Remember, a tan lasts only a while, but memories of these stunning Cannes beaches will stay with you forever. Just off the coast of Cannes lies the serene Île Saint-Onora. This island, a haven of tranquility, is home to the Cistercian monks who have lived here in solitude for centuries. They spend their days in prayer and work, cultivating vineyards that produce some of the finest wines in the region. Yes, you heard it right, monastic wines. A visit to this island not only provides an escape from the bustling city life, but also offers an insight into a way of life that is steeped in tradition and spirituality. On Ile Saint-Honorat, you can also explore the historic Lérins Abbey. This ancient monastery with its stone walls and arches tells a story of faith and devotion that has stood the test of time. The island's quiet beauty, combined with its rich history, makes it a must-visit spot for every Cannes traveler. But Cannes isn't all about serenity and solitude. As dusk falls, the city transforms into a vibrant hub of entertainment, especially on Rue d'Antibes. This bustling street, filled with nightclubs and bars, offers the perfect setting to experience Cannes' exciting nightlife. Whether you fancy a quiet drink, want to dance the night away, or simply people watch, Rue d'Antibes has something for everyone. It's a place where the night is always young, and the spirit of Cannes truly comes alive. So whether you're a beach lover, a history buff, or a party animal, Cannes has something to offer you. It's a city where you can relax on pristine beaches, delve into history on a peaceful island, and party till dawn on a vibrant street. From sun-soaked beaches to vibrant nightlife, Cannes has it all. Lastly, don't forget to visit the Villa d'Aumergue. This architectural gem nestled on the hillside of California is a sight to behold. Its flamboyant design is the brainchild of Jean-Gabriel Doumergue, a renowned portrait painter, and his wife Odette, a sculptor. The villa is not just a house, it's a work of art. From its stylish terraces to its diverse art exhibitions, every corner tells a tale of creativity and passion. You might find yourself lost in the beauty of its Japanese and Mediterranean-style gardens, a perfect blend of Eastern serenity and Western grandeur. But it's not just the gardens that hold your attention. The villa offers panoramic views of Cannes, a sight that would surely take your breath away. Imagine standing there with the breeze gently brushing against your face as you watch the sun set over the city. The Villa d'Aumergue is the perfect end to your Cannes journey. So those were the top 12 things to do in Cannes. Le Croisette boasts luxury boutiques and a palm-fringed promenade representing Cannes' glamour. The Palais des Festivals et des Congrès, home to the Cannes Film Festival, signifies the city's vibrant culture. Le Suquet, the old town, takes us back in time with its narrow lanes and charming architecture. Nearby, Plage du Midi offers a peaceful spot to unwind, while the Ile Sainte-Marguerite provides an adventure with its natural beauty. Marché Fourville bustles with fresh produce and local treats. The Musée de la Castre displays Cannes' historical artifacts. The Jardin Alexandre III offers a lush retreat. Cannes' beaches are a paradise for sun and water lovers. The Ile Saint-Honorat adds a spiritual aspect with its monastery and vineyards. Rue d'Antibes comes alive at night with bars and clubs. Lastly, Villa d'Aumergue fascinates with its stunning architecture and gardens. Each of these 12 highlights captures Cannes' glamour, history, natural beauty, and culture, making it a must-visit. Thank you for joining this tour of Cannes. We to see you soon on your next travel adventure. Now, let's explore the culinary delights of Cannes. The city is not only famous for its glamour and natural beauty, but also for its exquisite French cuisine. Local delicacies like bouillabaisse, a traditional Provençal fish stew, ratatouille, a vegetable dish that embodies the freshness of the Provence region, and tarte tropézienne, a cream-filled pastry that is a sweet treat for the senses, are must-try dishes while you're here. Cannes hosts a variety of restaurants and cafes, from Michelin-starred establishments to charming bistros, each offering a unique gastronomic adventure. From fresh seafood to decadent desserts, the culinary landscape of Cannes is as rich and diverse as its cultural and natural attractions. So when you visit Cannes, don't just feast your eyes on the stunning views, but also indulge your palate with its delectable cuisine. Cannes is truly a food lover's paradise, so get ready to embark on a culinary journey that you'll remember long after your trip. As the sun sets over the azure Mediterranean, Cannes transforms from a serene beauty into a vibrant, pulsating hub of entertainment and excitement. The city's nightlife is as glamorous and alluring as its sun-soaked days. The trendy bars and clubs along the Laquette boulevard are a must-visit. Each with its unique ambience and signature cocktails, they offer the perfect setting to unwind, mingle with the locals, or dance the night away. From the chic rooftop bars offering panoramic views of the city to the pulsating dance clubs where you can groove to the beats of the world's top DJs, there is something for everyone. If you're a music lover, Cannes will not disappoint. The city is home to numerous live music venues where you can enjoy everything from jazz to rock, pop to classical. Some of the best musicians and performers grace these stages, ensuring an unforgettable night of entertainment. Cannes' nightlife is a heady mix of glamour, excitement, and sophistication. So when the stars come out, get ready to step into the mesmerizing world of Cannes after dark. Whether you're looking for a quiet nightcap, an evening of live music, or a night of dancing, Cannes has it all. Indeed, the city's nightlife is as glamorous as its days, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. As the dawn breaks, the city of Cannes, still buzzing from the vibrant nightlife, transitions into a shopper's paradise. The city, known for its glamour and elegance, is a haven for those who love luxury and style. The boulevard of Croisette, flanked by sandy beaches on one side and high-end boutiques on the other, offers an unparalleled shopping experience. Here you can find the world's most prestigious brands and designer labels, providing a unique blend of luxury and style. But it's not all about luxury. For those seeking a more authentic shopping experience, the local markets of Cannes offer a treasure trove of unique finds. From handmade crafts to local delicacies, these markets are the perfect place to hunt for that special souvenir to take back home. Cannes is also a trendsetter in the world of fashion. Whether you're looking for the latest haute couture or more affordable chic, you'll find it in the city's stylish boutiques and shops. The city's fashion scene is as diverse as it is vibrant, offering something for every taste and budget. Shopping in Cannes is not just a pastime, it's an experience in itself. From the glittering windows of luxury boutiques, the bustling local markets, to the cutting-edge fashion stores, shopping in Cannes is a journey of discovery and indulgence. So whether you're a seasoned fashionista or simply looking for a unique souvenir, Cannes offers a shopping experience like no other. Cannes is not just about the glitz and glamour of the world-renowned film festival. The city also hosts a plethora of other festivals throughout the year, each one a vibrant showcase of the city's rich culture and traditions. From the colorful Carnaval de la Plaisance in September, where yachts and boats take center stage, to the enchanting Festival d'Art Pyrotechnique in July, where the night sky is ablaze with spectacular fireworks, Cannes celebrates life with passion and flair. The local festivals like the Fête de la Musique in June, where musicians of all genres fill every corner of the city with melodious tunes, offer an authentic taste of Cannes' lively spirit. Participating in these festivals allows you to join the locals in their celebrations, immersing yourself in the joyous atmosphere and truly experiencing the soul of the city. So, remember, when you visit Cannes, be sure to check out the local festivals. They are, after all, a celebration of life, culture, and the vibrant spirit of Cannes, offering experiences that you will cherish for a lifetime.